this question we are told that log of a by 1 plus a square to the base a is greater than 0, and we are told that log of b to the base a is greater than log of c to the base a, and we are required to calculate which of the following is definitely true. If you are looking at the equation that is given to us, the inequality log of a by 1 plus a square to the base a is greater than 0. What this would imply is that log of a to the base a minus log of 1 plus a square to the base a is greater than 0. Log of a to the base a is 1. So this would imply that 1 is greater than log of 1 plus a square to the base a. Now there are two cases over here, because the base can be either greater than 1 or it can be less than 1, and based on its value, the value of the inequality will also differ. So if you consider the case where a is greater than 1, then the given inequality will essentially become equal to 1 plus a square is less than a, or a square minus a plus 1 is less than 0. This is not possible. For any real value of a, if you simplify this is equal to a minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 4. And this is always greater than 0. This is actually always greater than or equal to 3 by 4. So you will never find an a for which a square minus a plus 1 is less than 0. So this case where a is greater than 1 doesn't exist. If you are looking at the second case where a is less than 1, the given inequality will essentially become equal to a is less than 1 plus a square, or a square minus a plus 1 is greater than 0. Like we have discussed earlier, this is always true. So essentially what it implies is that based on the first inequality, we can conclude that the value of a is less than 1, and because a is in the base, a has to be greater than 0. So a is some real number which is lying between 0 and 1. Now we are told that log of b to the base a is greater than log of c to the base a. And now we also know that a lies between 0 and 1. So if you are removing the logarithms, what this essentially becomes equal to is that b is less than c. If you are looking at the options that are given, we can't conclude anything about b and a. For all we know, b can be very small, b can be very close to 0, and a can be greater than b. Similarly, we can't conclude anything about c and a. C and a also can vary. C can sometimes be greater than a, and c can sometimes be less than a. B is greater than c is definitely false. We know for sure that b is less than c. The only option which is definitely true is option D, which says that c is greater than b, or essentially that b is less than c. So the correct answer is option D.